How to make viral text animation in After Effects. We create a new composition. We select the text tool. And we write the word we want. Let's align it properly to the composition. Now let's add position, opacity, and blur from animation. We set the opacity value to 0, the vertical position to 100. We open Advanced from the Range selector. We select based on it words. We ramp up the shape. We start the offset keyframe and set its value to -100. At the same time, we start the blur keyframe and set its value to 100. We go forward 25 frames. We set the blur value to 0, and the offset value to 100. We select the offset keyframe and give it easy ease. If we want to add another text, we copy another one from the text. We pull the layer above to where the text ends and cut the layer below right there, and delete the rest. We change the text above and write the text we want. We couldn't center it properly. Let's open the title action safe and center it properly. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in new videos.